Well, hi, Caulfield. Looks so nice.
Thank you, Alice.
What's up, guys? So today, as you probably already saw from me walking down the stairs, I got a Walbro 255 fuel pump. So, yeah, as you know from the last video, the reason why my car wouldn't start is because I didn't have a fuel pump that worked, which really sucks. So now I have this bad boy. It's already pre-assembled. I just got to go to AutoZone and get some electrical connectors. What's up, guys? So yesterday, unfortunately, when I went to AutoZone, or what's it called, AutoZone, when I finally finished getting all the stuff I needed, it was actually dark. So I'm out here again, and of course it's getting dark because out here in the Pacific Northwest it gets dark mad early this time of year. But that's okay. So the first thing I got to do, well, actually I've already done it. Let me pull that fuel door. So there's a locking ring on the other side of the thingy. I already took it off, and that's going to allow the funnel thing to fall through when I actually unbolt the straps, as well as there's little like brackets underneath here that I need to do. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do that. I have to take those screws out, unplug the harness, and then pull the grommet through so I can actually drop the tank and not snag on anything. So I got the car up in the air, the wheels off. You can see my massive stance boy spacers. Underneath, you can see that there's this thingy. I guess it's just a cover for the actual filler neck. I need to take that bolt off, just the cover, and then there are brackets beneath it that actually keep it from falling out. I gotta take those off too. Chris is here to help me out. So I did. How you doing? How's your Super running?
Good, buddy. Oh, look, we got a new phone!
Yeah, finally.
Super is running. I need a new dimmer switch because I may have burnt mine out wiring in fans.
Oh, nice. You actually wired them in this time.
Yeah. Yeah, same wiring system, just caught on fire.
That sucks.
Minty as fuck, though. Fucking battery was smoking, everything was smoking.
But yeah, as you can see, it's in the air right now. Yes, I know. Fat boy, stance boy spacers, yeah. 50 mil, dude. Yeah, I gotta take that cover off. There's already rinsed there. There's one right there, one over there.
You don't have an access port?
A what?
Like an access port from the top?
No.
Wait, pop this. Prove this to me. Every Nissan has an access port.
Disagree.
We need wood. The best place to get fucking wood is your local recycling can.
See any wood?
I don't see any wood. I see a lot of cardboard.
Yeah, just get up in there. I think if we fold enough cardboard, it'll be strong enough because we don't want to dent up the.
This is pretty soggy ass cardboard.
Damn it! We'll just use a skateboard.
It's about as wet as a Cambodian prostitute.
Oh my! I don't know about that. Never been to Cambodia. Nor have I ever.
Should go. It's a trip.
All right, so we finally got the fuel pump out, and it turns out it was a Walbro, but I guess it's dead or something.
Corroded all in this fucking putty that they put in there. They didn't use actual putty. They used some cheap, like, fucking plumber's putty that gets ate up by gas. So, note to self, kids, don't use plumber's putty on the gas tank. You have a bad time.
Alright, let's go ahead and disconnect this shit.
Alright, cool.
We got the connectors going on with the shrink wrap, of course. Keep everything at least like kind of sealed in. We don't want gas getting in there.
Yeah. Fucking hate wires. Jank-ass plug fingers, by the way.
I mean, I got them from your boy.
Patrick suggested these.
No, I just got them from Patrick.
Did you tell him I'm installing a fuel pump? I need connectors.
Well, I brought my fuel pump in there, but it's whatever.
This side is not wrong. Do you get Red Dead Redemption 2?
Nope. I got Forza Horizon though.
I don't want that.
You don't want it.
They don't have a Mark III Supra, therefore I don't care.
I mean, if I didn't buy any games because my car was in there, I wouldn't buy any racing games. Except for Motorsport 7, because they do have a 300ZX in it, but it's like...
And Gran Turismo.
Yeah, Gran Turismo is the shit. Gran Turismo 6. It's pretty great.
You know what game had me fall in love with the Supra?
One Gun Midnight.
No, Gran Turismo 4.
Gran Turismo 4.
No, not 4. 5.
Gran Turismo 5 is awesome.
Yeah, I need the light, bro. Are you recording?
Yes, I am. So as you guys can see, we got the Haltech. We wired in the new fuel pump. And now she's idling, dude. Clean. Damn. Thanks, dude.
Mint, dude.
Thanks, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, listen to her. Oh, man. Now I just gotta get it tuned and I'm good to go.
I also get the fuel tank connected.
Oh, yeah, we still got more work to do on the fuel tank, but...
Look, it's idle.
Yeah. Damn. That's awesome.
Well, that's a good fucking sound.
No, that's not a good sound. But yeah, she's idling now. So we just gotta finish, like, connecting the actual fuel tank, and then I'll be good to go to get it tuned.
And then we're gonna go get my Z running tonight, right?
I don't know about tonight.
We can at least go take a look at it and figure it out.
Yeah. Well, guys, that's it for tonight. Let me get some light up on me. But yeah, we replaced the fuel pump, and yeah, Chris almost died because he was literally lifting the entire fuel pump with his hands underneath the car. But he's fine; he survived. But yeah, that's about it. I think the next video, me either drifting this car or taking it to the shop to get tuned. Most likely I'm going to have to save up some money so I can take it to Intech and actually have them tune it this time. But yeah, I'm excited because the car actually runs and it's idling. I think I'll give you guys a little taste, you know. She is currently idling nice and steady. None of that loping, you know, no math, won't rev type stuff, you know. It's wonderful. Wonderful. I'm just so glad we finally got it fixed. Now I just got to get it tuned. So I'll see you guys on the next one.